Ebusafo another nso Yankopon ayadom ama se moja everyday frusane we mu a mama yemfa asara ma ye twediampon or de obo so na asase no sanso na se den nia no se yetumi efa kwan so a ese ye mamu hu de ekoso ewo important ne kwan ara se ewo omaga mu ene manfofo so na ta se yetumi ebo mu chenku na yetumi tatom asese ne mu so mo hu bibia kwan na ye omaga no esifa akọ nti we ofanko barrier rehabilitation a ban yese obeye no not as a Billy Snaps yet to me a day cameras I could pay more ye per se amount for whom senior and yama is if I call any baby construction I could do. So far never can say do wanna complain say quite no end to me and yes and I buying and will this car and my one now you're nipping contract for back side now on also terms I buying a will this car and mine the phone out as almost so back to work and I say almost a year now Sunday on to me and confirm say Tikana Asa and Asan sign to share controllers no back to work controllers no about back to work others almost a year juma or share in a road ya usha almost ye a jumupana we you call fizzy you call shipontele you call media Nina Poppy mine you didn't eat at your say quite no so way and I say to say in that big Buja you can say abain or yadi say senior nyamamu ete o manganamu no entisa say abain na bija ama nya yehwe han na jwedia wodi no we jai Sunday you can say abain asanso ababak omo effective job after a lot of say news about say contractor no onya de ntino yenjin finish no abana say contractor no onto aso esan say ono na say obetumi ayekwan na mayen to hwa contracts ayde awore no omugo so am kurem yenjin finish am ye just say nyamo na ko go so say kan ketenkete bia say abana it will release this guy, they mind penny for no to toss no. So far, no information you have to our grounds say into me and buy in releases can here. In Tibas Ghana buying. We enye Mahaman start here and I say Mahaman na air twice on as a confident start here. We enye no way is the benefit of Ghanaians. In Timis so hard said that also comment am some Mumayan drink Ghana Puntu which is Ghana Edamakoma super. Tumindring Ghana and Puntu, send a Ghana between Pon, send a Ghana and Tomafra, while share, a crow, a cassac, I say, young buona, and Usha, Amuniano, Akufa. I never for am you are seeing a buona, won't hear any help from other countries. I'm bomb what is say, Kodibosana, in some ways, somewhere you channel. Nanka abaya say ka phobia first couple bra na fire kwane ka yemfa odimpo ento so as lane scramble akama didi say ka stand na ka kwan a ewo Ghana ha amaye wi no nanka yewiem ebeye bebre kewiem bebre say dodo na pese woye kwan na ye de on din eto so na ye chimba bi hu say opening contract for we na to say otumi eye kwan e ma ye say Messi FM Billy, some Yokana Billy High Streets. Yeah, the Snappers High Streets. It's the Snappers. I say, yeah, trying for any other. Yeah, in your street in Tihono, like a majiji, or more. I'm trying for any other good side honor. And say, yes, your small neighborhood be. Also, a bino on tears into no one in a side. It's a wisher, he best say, Uncle Crab, per se, one away a coin, which my boy. Also, a banner said, "Dear, I say, we are quite so the yesterday. Say, a banner bit me, a tea now, why ye a quarrel. A demo, my God, son say, oh my God, you can't put me my honor. A mechanic say, a honor mashas here. I want a fillet in a side door. Put me mine. I want a bread and so ya bread there we are. I can say a day metals, no. Rushes not only, the disabled place, no, and also, on Bayeho, so that's more. Among me and Nante, I say I'm more used to rails near dinner. A honor yama motorbikes. A honor yama motorbikes. Food bridge being a while motorbikes ever so. na Ghana for mind each and every time be a motorbike be fa footbridge bi aso me show who with one sign esan say motorbikes and yes say footbridge bi aso is for the disabled ones into say who that smooth one I don't think say o cause with na say motorbike na say who that smooth we na what the first that be for the disabled so am the more real cars no more hills no e be fa so into we for sanity into kwana de if I can say amoye now so ntem so na dey say ama Ghana for anytime phobia I want to say enya de no ama na basa kwan de amoye now so ntem so no I very very slow cry we kono everywhere na nipa criminal site na say amo sha ase na say ye nigiri no wa fa hen and even na say nkofo e bi say amo ntia se so wa fa hen ge ye nigiri no amo ofa hen ama kwano ne ye no aye very very slow sara na busia kame ho na ye ndan mpinifo bi ase East Legon Executive Club for ye ndan wase East Legon Executive Club why are there sense each and every day bi no am holding me on and a Power Foods the CEO of Power Foods so e yade so e yade pa at say each and every day bi no holding on I would say tremendously no mpinifo am e yade in terms of me going out and coming in I'm sponsor me the Power Foods sponsor me kase open nam bia to Ghana ha ye event bia na so pe say we coast open say coast to offer Power Foods o dey frame me number no na me angasa me do anim na ko two nam na open so kranam kraba ni nya ye this year no open so yi nyama wo habo a Paul this is nya ye so dey frame na me ntumi enfade me ntumi do anim na ye nkoye juma fefe ebusia we ama sama for nkokwan na ban ye so be no abandada no empia ban ye so be no na tese ndisi fo ba ya ye hu senya etie sia no so ye ogide ni arehwemu se de tibia no ye bewie kwa no de maye ye de ban se wonyamre ene yen atena each and every bia no subscribe to Billy Snaps o share TikTok o ye event o Ghana ha o ye any event o Ghana ha that's what person blogging my wa hence say no ye official blogging oh yeah any event in Ghana that's what person ye be blogging my wa Billy Snaps you remember na ye be blogging ama Billy Snaps you remember na blogging ma oh yeah event via e Ghana ha abrochima mu be bia international bia no Billy Snaps be ye Crobatem ye co international oh yeah event bia na what a friend never blog am of just with a cool price I say also odumedi no adan tentana so there was say munyamre hwe mo support e mo nto drones mai mo nto equipment mai open Ghana sem no be say Billy Snaps ye ko anima so me drone mai na to so me show we